Another dinosaur egg? Oh my gosh. Look at all those dinosaur eggs. Now I think that there are... Oh, ooh, you gonna put a different color on there? Do that. Oh, here we go. There might be some more out there, buddy. What do you see? You see more? Ah, you found another one. You want to open it up?
What's inside?
What's inside? We'll open it up and let's see. Oh, it's a sticker and... There's your dinosaur eggs. Here. Okay. You can leave this piece right here? Or you want me to just hold it? Oh, there's another one!
Bunny was hopping in the garden, wasn't he?
Bunny was everywhere. You gonna open it? Or you're just gonna put the egg in there? Oh. There you go. Oh! Another dinosaur egg! You want more?
Hey Parker, I thought I heard him splashing around. Did you look in your water table? Can you help him, babe?
Oh. There's another one! Are you gonna get up there?